Welcome back, my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. Guys, I was away for a week. Now I'm back. So now we're going to start cooking today. And today we're going to make jerk pan roast chicken. So this is my chicken here, guys. I went to the store this morning. I bought a chicken. So I'm going to wash it with 2 limes and some vinegar. I have my garlic plus Mrs. Dash, RavoRiz, some all-purpose, some jerk seasoning, and some season to the bone seasoning I just bought in Montego Bay Airport when I was coming back. So I'm gonna try it today, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go to the sink, wash my chicken with my lime and my lime and vinegar. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned, guys. So okay, guys, I start cutting up my onions. I'm just cutting up the stuffing for my chicken. I'm gonna stuff my chicken with that, and I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients together after. So I'm cutting up my onion, my green onion, and my garlic. That is what I'm gonna stuff the chicken with today, guys. So stay tuned and watch while I cut up all my stuff. Guys, you don't have to use so much garlic as I use if you don't want to, but I love to have a lot of garlic in my stuff. So I'm thinking this is enough. But just the inside of my chicken. That's my stuff here. So all of them over here. And then guys, I have 3 teaspoons of butter. I'm gonna melt it after. I'm gonna get everything ready. Get all my stuffing ready and everything, and my seasoning. I'm gonna combine all my seasoning together. And I want you to stay tuned and watch me season my jerk oven chicken today. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna melt my butter. Oops. It's about 3 tablespoons of butter. I just want it to baste my chicken after I put on my dry ingredients, guys. So okay guys, I'm going to show you all my dry ingredients I'm going to be using. Half tablespoon of garlic plus, another half teaspoon of Mrs. Dash, oops, 1 teaspoon of RavoRiz, and my all-purpose Maggi seasoning, 1 teaspoon. I have my jerk seasoning from Easy Spice. These ones, guys, you get them in the airport to buy if you go to Jamaica. I was trying to see if they could ship them here, but they don't ship here. Another teaspoon of my jerk seasoning. Maybe I'm gonna use some more, I'm not sure yet. We got see how it's 17. This is a seasoning I bought at the airport too. Season to the bone. I'm gonna try that too. And I will tell you if I'm gonna buy this one again when I season. So I have all my dry ingredients in this bowl now, guys. Everything is here. So I'm gonna get everything incorporated together. Oh, I need some paprika. Gonna add some paprika, guys, for a good color. This is smoked paprika. I got it at the bulk barn. I got this at the bulk barn here. 1 teaspoon again. I'm gonna add all my, and the paprika is smoked paprika, guys. I have there. So I'm gonna mix all my dry ingredients together. Then I get my gloves and I'm gonna season my chicken. So, okay guys, so this is all my dry ingredients. This is my wet one for stuffing the belly. And so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get my gloves. Okay guys, I'm gonna put a little seasoning on the one I'm gonna stuff the chicken with. I put a little garlic plus. I'm gonna a little black pepper. And a little flavor rice. And I'm gonna put some roast jerk seasoning also. I'm just gonna put a pinch of it. Because I need the inside to be seasoned and nice also. And a little pinch of the season to the bone also. This one I'm gonna blend it together. So guys, this is what I'm gonna stuff the chicken with, guys. Guys, this is garlic, onion, and green onion, scallion. So I have that's gonna get ready now. I have my butter here melted. I'm gonna put it in my dry ingredients, and this is what I'm gonna use to rub on my chicken. So guys, I'm gonna stuff my chicken first. Dry ingredients with my butter, and I'm gonna marinate my chicken now, guys. Oh, no, I think I should put it in the pan. Marinate it first, and I'm gonna transfer it over to the pan. And guys, you bend underneath your chicken wings that they don't burn. I turn them under already, guys, so the tip of them doesn't get to burn. So you massage your seasoning on your chicken, guys. And I'm gonna bake this chicken at 350 for an hour. Until it's done. I'm gonna transfer it over in the dish that I'm gonna bake it into, guys. So this is the dish I'm gonna bake it into. Let's see if I can stuff some more seasoning inside as much as I can. Stuff as much as I can. So guys, after now when I'm gonna start basting it with jerk sauce after, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and watch while I bake my chicken, okay, guys? So my oven is preheating right now. It's at 350 already, okay? So I'm gonna change my gloves and put my chicken in the oven. So okay guys, I'm gonna put my chicken in the oven. Hey guys, my chicken is my jerk chicken is looking very nice in the oven, guys. I'm gonna take it out soon and add some jerk sauce. I'm gonna baste it with some jerk sauce in a few minutes. I'm giving it about 5 more minutes, guys, and then I come right back. Okay, guys?
So now the roast chicken is out of the oven, guys. Take a look. I'm gonna start adding my jerk sauce to it. I'm gonna put more jerk sauce on it, guys. Basting it with my jerk sauce. And this jerk sauce, I make it myself, guys. I did my own jerk sauce. I have a video up when I'm making my jerk sauce, so if you want to go see how I make my jerk sauce, guys, you can go watch my previous video, guys, that I have up. And he will tell you what I put in my jerk sauce. Because why I make my own jerk sauce, because some people I cook for sometimes they don't love a lot of spice. So I make my own, I control the spice by making my own. So guys, I'm gonna put it back for another 10 to 15 minutes. And I'm gonna test it to see if it's cooked. Okay guys? So stay tuned, guys. I know this is going to be falling off the bone when I'm finished with this, guys. So okay guys, my roast jerk chicken is ready. So guys, this is how it looks. I just take it from the oven. So I'm going to share a plate, guys, over here for my sister. She's one going to test it and let me know what's going on, how nice it is. Okay guys? Gonna have some string bean and a cup of rice here, and I'm gonna cut my chicken with a fork, and I'm gonna cut my chicken because so guys, it's very tender. It's falling off the bone, guys. You see, and my filling is cooked soft. So guys, I'm gonna take off the leg for my sister. You love the leg, my sister? You really want the leg? No, I love wings.
You love the wing? Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're gonna get a leg and a wing then, guys. My sister. You're gonna get a leg and a wing. So I'm gonna put this in her plate. Right here. So that's for my sister. She says she wants the wing. So I have to cut into the wing now. Get the wing for her. So this is the other wing. Put it in a plate for her. So this, guys, is for my sister. I'm gonna clean up the plate for her.